So what's up, guys? The countdown has started to get this build on go. You know how time flies, and we're trying to get her armored up. As you can see, we got a front bumper install video coming. We're gonna do something easy. It's Sunday, working on a few customer vehicles or bikes, and I walked by, my ADHD got the best of me. And we're going to throw these awesome mirrors on from SEIZMIK. And these are super heavy duty aluminum housing mirrors. And they're really easy to install. And I think they will work great with my Super ATV flip up windshield. So they're aluminum. I think you can get these in different colors as well if you want to order that. But it comes with the mirror, the anti-rattle bushing, the screw that holds it on, and the bracket. Super heavy duty, all aluminum, so there ain't gonna be no flexing. And these are nice to have, so you can just glance up, you know, at your mirror there, and make sure your party's still with you on the trail. All you will need is an 8mm Allen to install these mirrors, and it's 1 bolt, super easy. So let's get started, and let's get us some rear vision to go along with that awesome camera that's on the middle screen there from Segway. All right, so we're getting to installing these nice mirrors. They're aluminum and they have a lifetime warranty. And I was doing a little bit of pre-fitting before I filmed, and I ordered the 2-inch diameter clamps with these bushings, and they was just a little bit loose. So I actually called their customer service, great people, and they FedExed me some of these that are gonna work. I think this cage is 1 3/4 inch, and those were for 2-inch. So if you run into any issues when you do order your mirrors, like I said, you smash them, they'll replace them. But when you order your mirrors and you run into an issue, you can just call them. They'll fix your issue. No questions asked. So we'll put our bushing in here. It'll go over the cage. Get our mirror rubber washer, run that through there. Put your rubber washer, oh, I got my bracket backward. Like so. All right. Just like that, put your bolt through, put your rubber washer on there, hold your mirror up, get it started. And then take your 8mm Allen, get your mirror adjusted where you think you're gonna need it. Tighten her down. Tighten her down, get her adjusted how you want. And the mirror actually moves inside here like a car. Very nice mirrors. And then if you hit something, they will fold in. Or if you get in some really tight areas, you can fold the mirrors in. So they look great. Once I get everything adjusted, I know they're gonna perform great. And we'll be able to see who's behind us and what's going on. Oh yeah, that's nice. Super adjustable. like I said, they look great, and they're not going to interfere very much with my Super ATV windshield. That is coming next. So I'll get the other side. We'll jump over there. That way you can see it again. And these rubber pieces here are actually, you can get them in different colors on the website. But like I said, they really look great. I'm really happy with them. And knowing that it's a good company, right there, unlimited for life warranty. So they're built for riders. All right, so we're getting our next bracket. They make all kind of gun holsters. Man, we may have to check out that website a little deeper than I did when I was trying to figure out which bracket I needed, which bushing I needed. They have a whole setup. All right, we're getting sidetracked. So we got the bracket. The bushing is made to fit in there very nicely. Throw it on, clamp her down, put your bolt through there, rubber washer, hand spin it a few times, make sure you ain't got it cross threaded. All there is to it, very, very nice fit and finish. Not cheap at all, not cheap filling, just a very nice product. So we'll get them all adjusted out next time that I get on the trail, which will probably be in Mississippi. But next we're gonna do this spare tire carrier and the tree kicker or rock slide, whichever one you would call it. These are all factory other than this, but the front bumper, the tree kickers, and the spare tire will all be factory upgrades that you can get from your dealer when you purchase your machine. And so next we'll be putting those on, and the spare tire carrier, and throwing that Team MSC skid plate underneath it. That one's going to be exciting. We're going to use the UT10 winch right here to tip her up where you can see what we're doing underneath there. And but definitely check these mirrors out. They're very nice. They're not cheap at all. I know you can get cheap mirrors for half the cost of these, and but that's exactly what you're getting, is cheap. We won't show no names, but these here, very cheap. They do not have the adjustment like these do, like a car. So we won't flip it around due to their name being on that. But so check them out. I'll have a link below where you can get these. And great people got these through Main Street Cycle, and they make all kind of different mirrors, profile cage, clamps, and all that stuff. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and as we trick out this and get ready for the Jamboree at Royal Blue that Adrenaline Junkie Prod is putting on. So we're excited to be up there with Julian, and we got a lot to do, and time, of course, ticks very fast. So I'm rambling, and we'll see you on the next one.